Practical geometry, basic constructions. Dear students, watch carefully movies on basic constructions. These basic constructions will help you a lot while drawing tangents to a circle. To draw a perpendicular to a line segment from a point on it. Example, draw AB is equal to 6 cm. Draw its perpendicular to AB at B. Practical geometry. To draw a perpendicular to a line segment from a point on it. Step 1. Draw AB equal to 6 cm. Step 2. With B as center and with any convenient radius, draw an arc of a circle to intersect AB at P. Step 3. With P as center and with the same radius, draw an arc of a circle to intersect the arc at X. With X as center and with the same radius, draw an arc to intersect the first arc at Y. With X and Y as center and radius equal to more than half of XY, draw arcs to intersect at N. Join BN and extend it. BN is the required perpendicular to AB at B. To draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Example, draw AB equal to 8 cm. Draw its perpendicular bisector. To draw perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Step 1. Draw the line segment AB equal to 8 cm. Step 2. With A and B as centers and radius equal to more than half of AB, draw arcs of circle on either side of AB. Let these arcs intersect at H and K. Join HK and extend it on either side. Let HK intersect AB at M. Measure AM and MB. AM is equal to MB. Measure angle AMH. Angle AMH is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, HK is the perpendicular bisector of AB. To draw a perpendicular to a line segment from an external point. Example, draw AB equal to 7 cm. Mark P outside the line segment. Draw a perpendicular from P to AB. To draw a perpendicular to a given line segment from an external point. Step 1. Draw a line segment AB equal to 7 cm. Step 2. Mark a point P outside AB. Step 3. With P as center, draw an arc of a circle to intersect AB at X and Y. Step 4. With X and Y as centers and radius equal to more than half of XY, draw two arcs to intersect at K. Join PK. Let PK intersect AB at N. PN is the required perpendicular from P to AB. Dear children, remember, look at this animated movie and observe carefully and try to remember what you have understood.
A circle is a shape with all points on the circle the same distance from the center point. A radius is a straight line from the center to the circle's edge. A diameter is a line across the endpoints of a circle that passes through the center point. Diameter D is twice the radius. Radius R is half the diameter.
Here are some points to remember. Radius of a circle is the line segment joining the center to any point on the circle. Diameter of a circle is the line segment passing through the center of the circle and having its endpoints on the circle. Chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. The region bounded by an arc and a chord is called the segment of a circle. Dear children, write down all these important points in your book. Dear students, you have successfully completed the study of circles and basic constructions under practical geometry. Good luck and all the best.